sell or buy is always the big question I hear. Can I afford to buy now while I haven't sold my house, or do I need to sell my house to put my plan into action?
That's a $64,000 question. And the best way to figure that out is with us. Okay.
Absolutely.
So I will sit down and evaluate what your house is. Well, I'm not going to say worth because I'm not an appraiser. So let's keep this in mind. But where you're best likely to attract a buyer in the current market. We'll review what's happening in the market. We'll review what's happening with what you're considering buying. And then he comes into play with the really important stuff.
Absolutely. We'll take a look at your short-term goals, your long-term goals. Is this going to be that forever house? And can we afford to carry both mortgages for a short period of time until you sell the current house?
Mm-hmm. And it's very scary because I'll go back to my experience. I threw my house on the market um, with without knowing what I was going to do, and it was under contract in 3 days, and I was like, "Oh Lord, what am I going to do?" You want to talk about panic and stress? I have a kid coming home from college, two cats, and I'm like, what am I going to do? I did not want to do a extended stay type hotel. I was looking at some Airbnbs until I could find something. And thankfully, the house I'm in now, this one, popped up on the market literally 2 weeks after I went under contract, and I was able to make the timing work. But it was nothing short of a miracle. Yeah. So take your time, talk to us first so that we can start putting together your plan. And this goes back to last week's topic of timeline, because we have to figure out your timeline, we have to figure out your budget, and we have to know what you can afford to do. So
absolutely.
And a lot of it too is going to come down to equity, because he can talk to you about bridge loans or different things like that.
There's a lot of tools out there in today's market that can help you afford what you want.
Mm-hmm. So take your time, let's chat, and then we'll see what the best path for you is. So until next time,
We look forward to talking to you.
bye.